Welcome to another video. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. I will show you the actual design that I had in mind, but it didn't quite work out as well as I wanted it to be. So I just took out one of the cases of my foils to try and design something else. So if you don't have the first foil that I've been showing you, you can also use these different colors if you have anything in your stack. You can just cut these foils up in smaller pieces and dab that onto the nail. But I will show you the design that I actually tried. What I had in mind was to dab on a single color onto the nail and then stamping a flower over it. It's not too bad and you won't be able to really see it on camera, I think. It didn't turn out too bad, because this is the color that I've used. And then forming the flower on top of it. But then I decided to go into a different direction, and by using a different piece of foil. This is one of my favorite stamping plates that I've been using. But we're going to try another plate. The plan is to use the flower in the center, and then maybe bits and pieces of the pattern on the side or next to it. So we're just going to start off by applying our adhesive glue onto the nail, and we're going to leave it for a bit to air dry. And once it's dry, it will be clear. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer and leave it to dry before we're going to apply our foil. And while we wait for the nails to air dry, I'll show you what we're going to create. It's similar to the first nail that I've showed you. It's just that this type of foil has got a lot of colors to it. So we're just going to dab on bits and pieces of it and then do our stamping on top of it. And once the glue is dry, we're just going to start dabbing the foil onto the tacky layer of the glue by pressing it down and lifting it up. So you can just carry on till you've got the whole nail covered. You can also place the whole foil onto the nail if you like. It will give you the same effect. You can also do it on a nail that's got a main color to it. In this instance I've used a clear nail because I like the effect of it. So I'm just going to try and get the center of the flower and maybe a bit of the pattern on the right hand side. We're going to stamp that onto the foil. And once we're happy with our design, we're just going to top coat with a no wipe top coat, and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And these would be nice to use as accent nails. You can combine it with many colors, because there's a lot of different colors on the foil. This is also a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope that it would inspire you to try this at home. On this now we've got a black background and I've just put the foil onto it without dabbing it on, and that was the outcome. And then I just decided to cover this now with a bit of regular silver, and the colors of the foil was bleeding through it, which actually gave it a very interesting effect. Not sure if you're able to see it, but this is the outcome of our design. Very easy to do, and I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for taking the time yet again. Till next time. Bye bye.